It's been a whole couple of days since Twitch has been hacked, and it's already old news. The big question now is, have you protected yourself from problems that may arise from this data breach? There are at least 3 major things you should do to protect your account from future intrusions, but if you haven't done anything yet, you're overdue. And protecting yourself should take you less than 5 minutes, and it's super easy. So let's get cooking. What's up, sandwiches? I'm Thomas with Avanta Sandwich Tech. I'm also an interactive variety streamer on Twitch, and here are the 3 main things you should have already done as a result of the recent Twitch hack. There are a couple of smaller things that I'll sprinkle in here and there. By the end of the video, let me know how many of these 3 things you've already done, and if there's anything that you think I left out that's important, add that to the comments below as well. Be sure to share the tips of data protection, of course. Yeah. The first thing I decided to do was disconnect all of my Twitch integrations. Twitch integrations are those connections that are made between your Twitch account and any other app or program that you sign into with your Twitch information. The screen that you end up at usually looks like this. This may include your Amazon account, it may include bots or moderation tools like Streamlabs or StreamElements, and it even includes gaming services such as Uplay and Riot Games and others. To do this, go to the Twitch homepage and log in if you're not already. Click your profile picture in the top right corner and find the settings option in the drop-down menu. Once on the settings page, click on the connections tab at the top, and this will show all of the apps that are currently integrated with your Twitch account. Simply press the disconnect button next to each service and be sure to scroll down to the other connections section to disconnect anything there. Here's one of the bonuses for those of you who are extra cautious. If you go to the creator dashboard by clicking your profile picture again and selecting it from the drop-down menu, you can disconnect any extension also. Find the extensions tab on the left side of the page. It will have a jigsaw icon next to it, and click it. Then click the My Extensions tab that appears at the top. From there, you can deactivate any active extensions on the right-hand side, and once they're disabled, if you click the drop-down menu labeled Activate, you can find the uninstall option. This probably isn't necessary, but again, if you're being extra cautious, maybe it's something you can go ahead and do just to give you that peace of mind. And remember, you can always go back and reconnect these later once you have a little more faith in Twitch's security. Number 1 is done, and I wonder what number 3 is gonna be, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. That one's coming up in a little bit. Next on the list is super important, especially for streamers. It's resetting your stream key. Now, apparently it takes me so long to make these videos that Twitch has already done this for you, which means you should thank Twitch for getting you at least one of the 3 things you should have done already. So I better not see any zeros in the comments. Resetting your stream key is simple. Go to your creator dashboard page by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner. Click the settings tab on the left and then open the stream tab. Your stream key is right there on top and the reset button is just to the right. Click the button to reset your stream key. I shouldn't have to say this, but I will. Do not ever, under any circumstance, show your stream key on stream or to anyone that you don't know. This allows anyone who obtains that stream key to stream to your channel and put anything on stream that you have no control over. Just saying. Depending on how you set up your stream, you may have to replace your old stream key in OBS. Here's how to do that. Copy the stream key from the dashboard and paste it into the stream settings in OBS. You shouldn't have to do this if you use the create account button when you set it up the first time. So far, we've covered how to disconnect integrations from your Twitch account and how to reset your stream key. We still have the most important one to get to. You probably know what it is, but before we do, throw a like on the video if you've already started protecting your account, and make sure you share this video with one of your friends who maybe they're not as secure as they should be with their data. I don't know. Anyway, moving on. The single most important thing you should have already done, and it should be common sense, change your password. So there are a couple of ways you can go about changing your password. The first is through the login prompt, where you can click the trouble logging in link. This will send you an email that'll take you through the steps of resetting your password. The other option is you can go to your settings menu, go to the security and privacy tab, and then select change password under the security section. You just have to type in your old password and then whatever new password you'd like. Make sure they're identical and click the change password button. Honestly, it's probably just a good idea to change your password on all of the accounts that were associated with your Twitch account. Remember all those integrations that we disconnected earlier? Yeah, even though it's not likely that those passwords were compromised, unless you use the same password across all of your accounts. I'm looking at you, Justin. But it's at worst a minor inconvenience to have to change your password, and I recommend doing it on a regular basis. I would also highly encourage you to enable two-factor authentication. I know you want to just get right into your favorite streamer's broadcast. I stream on Mondays and Saturdays at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The minor inconvenience of having to pick up your phone and type in a 6-digit code is well worth the extra security. If you really didn't want to do the first two things, resetting your password should also take care of any Twitch integration token, extensions, and stream key issues. But there's no guarantee in that. I like to take matters into my own hands whenever possible, and following the steps in this video should help you cover all the bases. So tell me, how did you do? Did you get all three? And did I leave anything out? Make sure to let me know in the comments. If you got all three and made it to this point in the video, make sure to add to your comment Sandwich Secured to earn your completionist badge. Like the video if you found it helpful, and in turn you'll be helping the channel out. I appreciate you. Now I'm gonna go make sure my wife followed all of these steps, so I'll see you delectable sandwiches in the next one. Yummy!
Hey man! You're not